I would like to thank them. We have Mrs. Shahnaz Bhatt with us. We have Farzana Parveen with us. We have Farhat Athar with us. So thank you very much for your lovely messages. And we have the sisters here with us in Zoom. So thank you very much for watching us. And if you have any questions, if you want to ask anything from Mrs. Archana, you are most welcome. You can go ahead and you can ask the questions if you have any. That was wonderful, Archana ma'am. Yes, Archana ma'am, for you. Compliment.
Thank you. Thank you, Mrs. Shrikant.
So thank you very much, Mrs. Archana. With this, we come to an end of our program. And it was really marvelous to come across your ideas and to know more about you. And in future, Jahan-e-Man is always willing to have you on our platform. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Sadia, for having given me this opportunity and considered me as a woman of substance. And indeed, all of us, the feminine gender is of substance, right? So we have this beautiful saying in Sanskrit, Dr. Sadia, I would definitely like to tell you, according to the Hindu mythology, Shiva. Shiva is, the supreme being, the most powerful. So Shiva, without Shakti, he's called Ardhanarishwara. That is, one half of Shiva is Parvati, right? So okay. Shiva without the Shakti is Shava. And you know what Shava is.
Yes, right? Yeah, so I got it.
Woman is an integral part of it. And so when God himself has given so much of importance to women, why doesn't the society realize that? So we also need to wake up to this call, understand, stop the gender biases, and charity begins at home. I think once this is done at home, it will also move into the society. And that is one thought that I would definitely put across here, that yes, men and women are equal. There are the physical differences. And then there's a job, Dr. Sadia. I am sure you must have heard of this before. But then, why did God make man before making a woman?
I think to take up the responsibility of the women.
Women take up all responsibilities, Dr. Sadia. We don't need men to look after us, right?
But man was feeling lonely. That's why God created women. Because man without women cannot live.
No, that is also true. See, the thing is, you always need to prepare a rough draft before preparing the final copy.
Oh my God. I never thought of this.
Okay, that was on a lighter note. Okay. So, women are perfect. Women are perfect.
Thank you. Thank you.
Gentlemen, apologies for that, but that was on a lighter note. We are integral. Without man, there is no woman. Without woman, there is no man. So I do have due respect for the masculine gender. Because it was a Women's Day, I thought, why not indulge ourselves a little? That's all.
So, Archana, your this one lighter note has reminded me that one cat was looking into the mirror and she was drawing herself, So the cat was looking into the mirror at herself, and then when she was drawing a lion. And then it is written, this is called self-esteem. So the cat's self-esteem is so high that she is thinking she is a lion. So yes, very much. We should always have self-confidence in us. So thank you very much, Archana. Thank you. It was really nice talking to you. May God bless you always. And thank you everyone for watching us. If you like us, then please subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. And see you tomorrow with another Woman of Substance. Till then, take special care of yourself and goodbye.